China is living in the future, not literally, but after visiting China a couple of weeks ago, I've definitely gotten a taste of what the future might look like for the Ghanaian economy or the world at large. I got to see some of the amazing tech like driverless taxis, robots doing delivery. That is one of the things we are going to talk about today, specifically a drone delivering your food when you decide to do a purchase. This was definitely an amazing experience, and before we talk about the details, I'm going to show you a reel that I shot to summarize the whole experience. Then we're going to delve into it and I'm going to tell you the details of this delivery. So let's watch this video.
So guys, I'm going to do another crazy thing right now. I just ordered food and the food is going to come from the skies. Literally, a drone is going to deliver it. Let's go check it out. So this machine is going to help me receive my meal right from the sky. China is just on another level. Let's go. So Charlie, the drone is literally about to deliver the food right now. We ordered it from KFC. Imagine how many people would like to do this if this was in Ghana. But bro, this is China. Ali, it's literally here. Yo, the crazy thing is, even the Chinese people are fascinated. So when it gets here, all you have to do is to put in your password and you have access to your food. Like this is, guy, this is cool. This is cool. So good to go. And
He's broadening your worldview, you know.
okay. So we just ordered this and I didn't get to say bye-bye to the drone. That's a lot of food, bro.
I go pull down and take food as well.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, right? Yes. And you take your food away. I didn't say bye-bye to the drone. Guys, let's go and eat. Bro.
So I'm sure after you watching this video, the first question you're going to ask is, what is going to happen to the delivery riders? Are they going to lose their job? No. So from the research that I did, the delivery riders are very still involved in this delivery process. So what really happens when you make an order is that once your food is ready, the delivery riders still go and pick up your food, and this is delivered to the launch pads. That is the operators of these drones. For my research, I think one of the companies was Metron. I'm going to find a name and I'm going to put it on the screen in case I butchered it. And what they are going to do is that they are going to package your food and they normally deliver to hotspots in the city. I got to experience this in Shenzhen. Normally in this area, there are a lot of business corporate buildings where maybe there are no restaurants very close to this corporate building. So the idea is that you don't have to leave your office and drive so far away to go get food. They can deliver this to your rooftop or to a kiosk right next to you. So yes, the delivery riders are still involved in this whole process and they're a key factor to make this work. But this doesn't stop there. Definitely not just food. You could have delivery services for anything that you might want to buy online, provisions, medical supplies, and the rest. Like this is going to go a long way to help a lot of people. It's convenient, it's efficient. Maybe you can't order a couch or anything yet, but for small stuff, this is definitely going to come in handy. But the whole idea behind this is very, very nice. The fact that you can actually have a drone deliver food to you, hopefully in the future, right to your doorstep. I know there are other companies that are doing that. I think I saw a video from MKBHD, but getting to experience it for myself was a really big deal. It was nice. Delivery riders are not going to lose their job, but this is something I'm sure everybody would like to enjoy, and China is doing this and doing this well. I won't say it's everywhere in China because definitely even when you order your food, just like I said in the video, the Chinese get fascinated when they see a drone bring your food and you go pick it up. So it's not everywhere in Shenzhen, but there's some hotspots in Shenzhen that have this. So this was a very nice experience and I can't wait to see what the future has for all of us, especially in Ghana. But this is where I have the question for you. What do you think is going to happen right now if we have this kind of delivery service right here in Ghana? Is this going to work? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below, and as usual, stay liquid and I'll see you the next one. Peace. I'm out.